How to convert SPayLater to SeaBank. So you can't directly convert SPayLater to SeaBank, but you can do this. So what you can do is first, you can transfer it from Shopify to SeaBank. So what you want to do is go to the Shopee app and access your Shopee wallet. Then select the bank transfer. So tap on the bank transfer option. And then what you want to do is add a new bank account. So choose add a new bank account and then input your SeaBank account details like the account number, bank name, and many more. Then enter the amount where you will need to specify the amount you want to transfer. Then lastly, confirm the review and the details and then confirm the transaction. And then enter your PIN, finalize the transaction, and by entering your ShopeePay PIN, you will now have successfully transferred your ShopeePay or your ShopeePay funds to SeaBank. So remember that transferring from ShopeePay to an unlinked SeaBank account may incur a fee. So if you're transferring from your Shopee seller balance to SeaBank, you can also follow similar steps, but you'll need to go to the My Finance in the Shopee app and then withdraw.